video of a train.
2 hours later.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, sooner or later, you'll be back.
You can smell the popcorn.
For an old conductor like me, there's no better place to ride the rails than the Magic Kingdom. By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA,
Stupid trees,
untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible, and we're headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. It can get pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Jack Sparrow. He's hiding out among those scurrilous.
As a reminder, please keep all seat lights fully inside the train car. All seat lights fully inside the train car.
It's magic carpets. When you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose
a bunch of houses off across the lake.
I'll stay safe and sound right here on my train, if you don't mind.
You can slightly see it past the branches.
We've reached the Wild West in the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to covered wagons, cowpokes, and country bears. And we've got our own mountain range of exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch.
Oh, now we're in a dark tunnel.
Until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking here, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before you unfold them. That'll help make room for the new passengers joining us. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching Frontierland Station. This is all for your stop for Adventureland and Liberty Square. As we approach the station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. And I think all clear. Once again, please remain fully seated until you're done. All clear.
Es donde andamos ayer, en el Splash Mountain.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Keep an eye on your little ones.
All right, we're moving again. Oh.
As we move into the American wilderness, we'll pass by the dusty desert town of Tumbleweed. Keep your eyes peeled for the runaway mine trains of the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Runaway trains. I ask you, is that any way to run a railroad?
Este es a lo mejor hasta este juego aquí, como de tren, pero de dinero.
I feel right at home here in the prairies and forests of the American wilderness. These roads haven't changed much since the days when settlers started heading west. Nowadays, rails can carry us safely through the wild. It used to take months, but now it may take just a few weeks.
Oh, a boat. And now there's nothing but trees.
Antelope and elk feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, many early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of Plains Indians were living, hunting, and trading for centuries before we ever came along. the first to take the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging.
La Star Wars estaba buena también. La primera que fuimos a... Cuando fuimos a los juegos, que salen los dinosaurios grandotes.
Oh, a little village for the Indians over there.
We're almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical land, Fantasyland, a place where any dream can come true. Fly over London with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Be our guest at an enchanted feast in the beast's castle.
Some kind of dinosaur or buffalo fossil, whatever.
You're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special at Fantasyland.
No, we gotta make it to Buzz.
All clear, welcome to Fantasyland. Please watch your step.
boring
Stay clear. Our next stop is Main Street Station.
Well, time to get off.